have a question. I have an injury as a result of IV infiltration at a local hospital, and it's about a year. And since that time, I've had to see an orthopedic doctor as well as a neuro, but they've determined that I've got nerve damage in that hand, and I don't have full use of it. And so I don't know, since it's a little over a year, is that something I can sue, or is this just something that's just best, just left unsaid, just leave it alone?
Sure. Ken, what do you think?
Yeah, well, this situation is not something that's unheard of. Don't know that much about what happened. There are a couple of different mechanisms of injury that could cause your symptoms. You would probably know more about what happened to you. But in terms of a claim against the healthcare provider, generally in Alabama you have 2 years from the date that you were injured or from the date that that event occurred. But I will tell you this, so you've got plenty of time if it's only been a year, but if you're going to see somebody about a medical negligence claim, you need to contact somebody really quickly, because it takes some time to get in all the medical records. And then in the state of Alabama, you have to present expert testimony, and generally speaking, you have to go out of state. Injured patients have to go out of state to get those medical experts. So instead of getting somebody locally, they just have a hard time finding somebody that'll testify. So you're in a situation where it's going to take a little bit of time to find somebody to testify about your particular situation, and then it really becomes an analysis of whether or not your injury would substantiate a medical negligence claim, which can be very expensive. So I would get in touch with somebody really quickly.